Hello and welcome to another walk around video with us at Subaru of Saskatoon. We are located at 471 Circle Place. Today we are looking at a 2024 Subaru Legacy GT in gray. It has seating for 5 and sits on 18-inch tires. The powertrain includes a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine that produces 260 horsepower. It's paired with a high-torque LINEATRONIC CVT transmission and Subaru's symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive. This Legacy is equipped with power folding mirrors, proximity key access, and in the inside panel of the door are controls for mirrors, door locks, and memory seating. This vehicle has black leather seats and a sunroof. On the left side of the steering wheel are Bluetooth and audio controls. And on the right are cruise control features that include adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. Also, heated steering wheel. In the center of the dash is an 11.6 infotainment screen that has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below are climate controls and access to vented and heated seats. In the center is a wireless phone charger and gear shifter. In the rear, we have air vents and heated seats for extra comfort for your passengers. The 60-40 split seats also recline for that added comfort. In the back, there are backup sensors, rear view camera, and plenty of trunk space for your daily needs. Thanks again for watching another review with us here at Subaru of Saskatoon. Come on down and see what we have to offer.